Hello everyone, welcome to White Duck Gourmet's Easy Chinese Dish again. Our selected dish today is called pickled cucumber or smashed cucumber. It tastes a bit crunchy and sour. It's a cold dish perfect for summer and easy to prepare. If you like our videos, please leave comments below, like us, subscribe our channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the bell for notification, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you, bye!